The Leica monochrome picture profile in Panasonic cameras look pretty close to the high contrast version of a monochrome profile in actual Leica camera SL2. The standard monochrome profile on SL2 look a little bit too flat. The white is too gray for my liking. So for the test, I shot mostly in monochrome high contrast version profile on SL2, which matches pretty well with the Panasonic Leica monochrome. I also converted some of the raw files from S9 straight into black and white in Lightroom without any editing. The result is that these converted black and white pictures have a little bit more high dynamic range look. Lightroom boosted the shadow a little bit compared to the S9's straight out of camera Leica monochrome profile pictures. Overall, the difference is pretty minor. Leica SL2 high contrast monochrome has the most clarity, more boosted shadow, more punchy than the Panasonic Leica monochrome profile, which is more contrasty than Leica SL2's standard monochrome. It is very confusing to test all these and read all these profile names. Leica's standard monochrome is pretty flat, I guess. It's easier to edit these JPEGs when needed. Raw converted black and white photos from S9 is very similar to Panasonic Leica monochrome profile, but with a brighter shadow. Overall, straight out of the camera, the best I think still is the true Leica monochrome, but in high contrast version. But is the difference big enough for people to recognize without being told which is Leica, which is Panasonic Leica? Probably not. I'm very confused during the reviewing process of these pictures. In the end, I think they all look great. If you want to edit, you can just shoot raw and convert into black and white. You don't lose the likeness. Or if you want to just shoot black and white straight out of camera, you don't want to edit that much, use Leica monochrome picture profile. Both ways work. No need to overthink it. Okay. Both great. Amazing. Thanks for watching. It's a very confusing comparison.